In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on red button at the bottom. If you never used Recorder before, hit Allow in the pop-up. Then also Allow in the other one. Now select red button again to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, select this one on the left. Now name your recording however you want to and choose Confirm. To access it, select the right button with 3 lines. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, select Edit at the top right corner. Pick recording that you wish to delete and choose Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!